Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share, friends. Subscribe, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends. And thank you so much for donating to our channel. Thank you so much. It really helps when the times are so tough. Thank you so much. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. And today we'll look at your life in general, Libras, your love and work. Wow, your card dropped very quickly even before I asked. So I was going to ask a theme for you. How are you feeling currently, Libras? Justice, you are in a very powerful energy. This is your card. Look at that. This is your energy, Libras. You are feeling very powerful, very powerful, and you are feeling very bold, and you're also feeling very strong and very cut sure. Like you are very like, I want this and I don't want that. You know what you want. You are like very strong. How are Libra feeling currently? Okay. Yeah, you have ended things with somebody. You are, you have said bye-bye to some things. You're letting go of things. You're trying to balance your life, make your life good, make yourself strong. Also, you are saying bye-bye to some health issues, coming towards better health, or making a promise with yourself towards good, that you will work for good health, you will make some changes. So I think you are quitting smoking, drinking, excessive eating, or crying. Good things, Libra. Well done. And the Seven of Wands. Yes, you are working very hard, friends. You are working hard to change your life and to come to terms with some losses that you have faced. Ten of Swords. I feel you're sad about some endings in your life, Libras. Maybe you are moving out of a college or moving out of your homes or ending a job, moving into you, or you are, ending a marriage or a long-term relationship, or you are still recovering from it. But I think you are feeling more stronger now. You're feeling very confident, and destiny is with you. Destiny is definitely with you, Libra, so don't worry. I see that justice will happen for you, Libras. I see that things are going to work out for you. Balance is coming in your life. How are Libras currently feeling? You are like, you have made up your mind. You'll focus on your future. Look at that. Knight of Wands. Passionate, very strong, very bold. Ready to move on. Ready to move towards success, towards joy, towards happiness. I think career-wise you feel very driven. You want to fight. You want to fight for things, like things are things are not being fair. Your job has been taken away, but you want to still fight for it. Even if you have been unsuccessful in an exam, you want to still fight for it. You want to give it another try because your passions are very high. Good going, Libras. Good going. Let's see how your person is feeling. It could be a new person. It could be a past lover, twin flame, current lover you have. Anybody you have in mind, actually. It could be, these readings are for singles as well as for anyone you are waiting upon. How Libra's person is feeling. Let's see that. Grief. Oh my God, someone is crying over you. Someone is shedding like their tears and tears, buckets of tears for you. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. My God, someone lost you and they can't believe it. They are going through, your person is going through a tough time. Eight of Cups. You know that, right, Libras? Even if you don't know them, they are crying. They are recovering. They are feeling sad. They are also going through some endings, just as you are going through some endings, some problems, some challenges. Your person is definitely crying over losing. They are really crying. They are really upset. Honesty, yeah. I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. I think this person hasn't told you they miss you. They haven't been honest with you, or they feel you were not honest with them. or you were a little too practical or a little too honest, like you are in this cutthroat energy. You are very, how do I say, what's that word for it? You are slaying, you are slaying. So this person got scared, you told them some truths. Just as Aquarius are, Libras are also very, they are very loving, they are very cute, they are very charming, they are super romantics. No one expects a Libra to be so brutally honest, but sometimes Libras can be honest, especially in love. And once they are done, they were shocked by your honesty. They were shocked by how honest you were, how much you have moved away from this person, Libra. This person is crying on you. They can't even imagine a life. Like you can live without them. They can't even imagine that. You gave them a shock, Libra. Oh my God. Let's see what will happen in this connection for Libras. Your love life, Libras. Okay, Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think this person is quite ambitious. They are quite powerful. They lead. They always take charge. So they thought like you will run after them. But Libras, you taught them a lesson. You just told them where they belong. And this person was like, oh my God. Okay, Strength, yeah. This is still a very powerful connection. I also feel you both are very powerful people, you both are strong, dominating people, and you both are very charming and very popular also. So you are, if this is a new person, that's what you are attracting: charming, strong, popular, very dynamic, sexually very attractive. Two of Cups, yeah, this relationship is still going strong. There is a lot of love, a lot of harmony, but maybe you are not talking with each other, but they are stalking you. I do feel that they are asking your friends, how are you doing? Page of Swords, it could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person you are dealing with. I think you online you talk with this person, or they keep an eye on you, how you are doing things, like they are keeping an eye what you are doing, where are you going. You are keeping a distance from this person, Libra. Seven of Pentacles, yeah, you are waiting and watching. You are like, what will this person do? What are you are like, I'll wait and watch, because you are not sure what is this person up to. Or this person is quite egoistic. You showed them their place, Libras. Chariot, yeah, they want to take a move towards you. I also feel like, you guys are both very busy. So this is affecting this connection. Like you guys are both very busy, or you live in some different cities, no contact, long distance connection. So that's starting to affect this connection, and they want to make a move towards you. I do see them making a move towards you in the future. Seven of Swords, yeah, they want to win you back. They want to win you back. They are asking your friends also, if you have common friends. They are also keeping an eye on your social media. Three of Wands, they want to expand things with you. This connection will expand in the future, Libras. But I don't know if you want them or not, because you are like, see, I don't know. There is something about honesty and ego. Ace of Cups, see? They are gonna propose you. They are gonna, bend on their knees and ask for your hand, Libra. Trust me, even if she's a woman, I think she's gonna do that, because she's dramatic about love. She's dramatic. She loves making a scene. She wants to do everything hi-fi. Oh my God. Proposals are coming. They are crying for you, Libras. They're gonna bend on their knee and propose you. Yes, get ready, Libras. Get ready. You're gonna send me the pictures, won't you? Emperor, see, they want to take charge of this situation. They will. Things are gonna get better. This is a very powerful person you have, Libras, here. What you did, tell me. And imagine that person is crying for you. Wow. That's super powerful. So love, this is going to be a very emotional, love-filled relationship in the future. So get ready. What will happen for Libras? Coming to the edge, yeah, this person is gonna drive you nuts. They are gonna push you to your limits, but then they are gonna be like, oh my baby, come, come, come. So They are quite a phenomena. They're gonna bend on their oh wow, they're gonna bend on their knees. Trust me, they are very dramatic. They're gonna propose you with shower, showers of confetti, these petals, flowers. They are dramatic. They are dramatic. Breathe, yeah, take some time to breathe. You guys will take some time apart, and then you will come back together very strongly. Change in the wind. Your person is changing. They are working to change. They are working to be honest with yourself, less egoistic, more heart based. They are working. They are trying. A leg up. Yeah, they know they have messed up. A message. See, they want to message you. I didn't even pull that card. It just jumped out. And still you will not subscribe, Magic Wednesday Tarot. I feel so bad. I feel you are not honest. Oh no, just kidding, friends. Alright, a message in a bottle is coming, friends. Someone is dying for you, and yes, they want to be with you. Propose you on the bended knees. Put showers of flowers, wine, dine, everything. They're gonna make a show of this, and they are dying for you. Yes, a message is coming. Let's see what you need to focus on. My god, your cards are really flying. Change. Okay, you have made your mind to change certain things. You are ready for change. You don't want this person, or you are like, for the time being, you want to focus on other things in life, your work, your career, your education. You're not very focused on love right now. Yes, again, truth. You are very practical. You have connected with truth. Libras, your sword of justice. You are very clear on what you want, and it's wonderful. And you need to focus on clarity. You need to be very clear on what you want, because I think you are going to manifest it, because destiny is working with you. Love is coming, friends. You need to focus on love, because your focus is so much on work, on career, on moving ahead, on achieving. But you are forgetting that love is also an important part of life. Success, see, so success and love both are to be balanced. Both have a place in life. Let's see some advice for Libras. Libra's advice, okay. Make a decision. Feeling is stuck or indecisive. Listen to your intuition. Make a decision. Yeah, I do think like you are focusing too much on work and not much on love, so you need to balance that out. Wait, don't rush. Yeah, I told you are rushing. Don't rush into action right now. Bid your time for better results. This is not the right time for this connection, but I do see them coming over. You also want that love. Don't lie to yourself, Libras. Are you lying to yourself that you don't need love? You need love, friends. Everybody needs love. Especially when they are in love like this. You need them, they need you. And if you are single, a new lover is coming. Don't give up hope. Just keep pushing. Past life relationship, you have known each other before, so a very, very intense connection is coming towards you. And this is somebody you have known before. This is somebody that's a yummy connection. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Yeah, you both are trying to fix this situation. Don't do that. Egos are too much here, so let it be for a while, and then things will get better. And that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta. And this is Mystic C saying bye-bye.